Hey guys, on today's tire comparison at 13 Motorsports, we're doing very popular Nitto NT01 235/4017 versus the newcomer, the 235/4017 Falken RT660. Now, I know some of you may be saying, but wait, that's a 100 tread wear tire versus a 200 tread wear. Yes, we know, but they're both popular competitors where we are. Check out the difference just visually from the stack of 200 tread wears to the stack of 100 tread wears. And if we get a little bit closer with the measuring tape, we'll notice that we've got about, let's say, 24 millimeter difference between the stack. Alright, so some quick math says 6 mil a tire between the measured tread width and the actual, and that's a full set. The other thing to notice too is the tread is actually considerably different. The Zenith looks a lot like the RE71R, and the Nitto asymmetrical design. It's got some really beefy tread blocks. I'm assuming this is the outside of the tire. Let's take a look. Made in Japan. Yeah, inside, yeah. So the beefy blocks on the outside there. These are labeled not intended for highway use, competition only. This is an actual street tire, but both will be popular this year. Alright, until the next one.